welcome and welcome back to my channel, The Sugar Sean. I'm back for another video. I'm super excited about today's video because we're going to be doing an unboxing slash first impression for one of the most popular bags of 2021. And I can't believe I'm about to say this, but it is a Coach bag. I actually got my hands on the very hard to find Coach Tabby 18. This is a genuine unboxing slash first impression. I haven't opened it or seen the bag in person ever. I saw it online and fell in love and had to get it. But before I get into all of that, I want to tell you guys about Rakuten. Now, this video is not sponsored by them. However, I've been using Rakuten for a while now, and I've gotten back over $850 cash back from making my purchases. So if you guys are trying to save money, if you have something on your wish list, I definitely recommend you try them out. When you use my affiliate link below, you get some cash back after you make your first purchase, and so do I, so I definitely appreciate it. But right now, if you're trying to get your hands on this bag in particular, you could get 6% cash back from Coach and 10% cash back from Neiman Marcus. And I got my bag from Neiman Marcus. So saving 10% on a designer bag adds up. It's a decent amount of money. So I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. Like I said, I'll be sure to link them below. This video is not sponsored, but I know personally you can get a lot of cash back from it. So I want to tell you guys about it. And when I saw they had this bag still in stock at Coach and Neiman Marcus with 6 or 10% off, I was like, okay, I got to tell them about this bag. So go ahead and check them out. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox the bag. All right, so now that I've gotten all of the protective coating and plastic and all that stuff off of it, this is what the bag looks like. She is absolutely stunning. This is the softest leather that I personally have ever felt. The quality of the leather is insane. The craftsmanship, all of that. So here's what she looks like. Again, this is the Tabby 18. Really, really beautiful, as you guys see. I have it in this really ivory type color, so it's more like an off-white, which is what I wanted. I thought it looked good with like creams, whites, beiges, browns, all those different kinds of colors. But I like the fact that the leather is so soft. As you guys see, even the Coach logo is covered in the soft, buttery soft leather. So the hardware on this bag is done in a nice matte gold, which I really like. It definitely makes it look a bit more classy and expensive. And of course you have the traditional little Coach tab right here, also in the soft, buttery leather that says Coach. Again, that's really soft fabric. Now, this bag is awesome for a lot of different reasons. Like, I love a bag that has versatility to it. That's why I really like this one. Because of the handles on this one, you could definitely wear this bag as a handbag. You can also wear it as a crook of the arm bag. You can wear it as a crossbody bag and a shoulder bag because of the adjustable straps. So this bag you can wear in just about every way possible. And even because of this particular size, you can take off both of these little handles and probably even wear it as a little bit of a clutch. So I love a bag that you can wear in several different ways. So this one definitely checks all of the boxes. It's super soft, buttery leather. I can't get over how soft this pillowy leather is. When you open it up, you have 2 major compartments right there, and then you also have an additional compartment right here, which you can use for like parking tickets or your debit card, license, something like that, to make sure this is secure. Unfortunately, it doesn't have like a zipper, so it is kind of open, but you can definitely shove something back here if you want to have a more secure feeling, or you can do like a little mini bag within a bag if you're interested in something like that. But I love this soft leather. I love the versatility. You can definitely take these straps off. So if you want to just go for the crook of the arm bag, you can do that. You don't have to keep both straps on, and I like that versatility of it as well. This one retails for $395 US and $495 Canadian. Now they also have the Coach Tabby 26, which is a little bit bigger than this bag right here, and that bag retails for an additional $100. So for $495, you can get a bigger bag. Price point is amazing on this. So I definitely recommend you guys check it out. As far as my first impressions are concerned, this bag is stunning. I would love to get a bag like this in different colors. I can see this in like a beautiful green, a nice pop of blue, cobalt blue, orange would be stunning, but I would definitely see me getting maybe another one of these. I don't typically trust myself with light colored bags, which is why I wanted to stick a bit more affordable on my first one. That's why I wanted this light colored bag, to see if I can trust myself with a light bag like this. But I think it would look good with things like what I'm wearing today: beiges, creams, tans, taupes, black, whatever you want to do. But I needed a light colored bag. This was something that was missing in my handbag collection. So let me know what you guys think of this bag right here. This is the Coach Pillow Tabby 18. And yeah, so like I said, if you guys want to take advantage of Rakuten's huge cashback going on right now, I'll be sure to link them below. That's my affiliate link. When you make your first purchase, you get some cash back, and so do I. So I thank you in advance for that. But you can get 6% cash back on this bag right now from Coach, and you can get 10% right now cash back from Neiman Marcus. So if you've ever had your eye on this bag or any of the other bags you can get from a Saks Fifth Avenue or anything like that, I definitely recommend Rakuten. Like I said, I've gotten back over $850 from using them, so it's perfect for cash back. And that's pretty much it. I'll be sure to link this beautiful bag below so you guys can check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. This is Honey.